Hi, welcome back. Today I want to explain to you a small pandiculation or somatic exercise that I also spoke about in another video. I will link that video to you, but I wanted to show you the actual exercise that I'm speaking about in that video. And this is pretty much, this is going to be an exercise on how to sit. And I mean how to sit, how to allow the floor or the chair or the couch or the bed to support you and to, how do you say, like, not welcome you, but like take you, support you, okay? So I'm going to try to show you, so it's going to be a very small exercise and then you can exaggerate it. So let me sit like so. So maybe you will be sitting on a chair, right? But I guess you can be sitting in any position that you prefer. But I'm going to stay like this since it was difficult for me to film with a chair. So I hope you can see that I'm sitting up straight, I think. So we as humans in this modern world, we tend to sit a little bit like so. Speaking about women predominantly, but sometimes we feel straight when we are like so, and or maybe we feel straight when we are more like so slouching. Okay, so this exercise is going to let you build your awareness so that you can find that relaxed center line without actually forcing yourself and feeling like you're holding your body in some position. So what I would like you to do is to come into an arched position. So I'm tilting my pelvis. I am now engaging the muscles in my lower back, and I can exaggerate this almost as if I'm yawning. Think about it like that. So yawning through my body. So I'm arching my body and I'm contracting all of the stuff on the back here, but I am releasing my belly, breathing in and into my belly. And then slowly from this contraction, just very slowly release the muscles. As slow as you need to, okay? Try to be aware if there is any shaking going on. Slowly, 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 until you feel like you're back to a straight line. Okay. Now come to a slouching position. I want you to pay attention to your belly now. So I'm slouching. That means I'm contracting my muscles in my abdomen. It also means my head kind of falls forward, so I can contract the front of my chest as well. So really exaggerate and think about that yawning feeling. And now release slowly. Notice how it's almost as if a weight is being lifted from your head. And breathe into your belly as you do so, until you feel like you are almost in the middle. Okay? This is the exercise. You can do it as big or as small as you would like. If you are out and about, sitting at a restaurant, I do this sometimes, but I obviously don't do this version. I will do like a very small movement. The idea is that I am exaggerating this wrong position and then exaggerating the other wrong position to sort of circle myself back to where that center line is. Okay? So I hope this makes sense. Let's do it one more time. We can do it this version, so a little bit bigger. Okay, I like to do this in the morning. So contract my back, so I'm tilting my pelvis, relaxing my belly, contracting between the shoulder blades, lower back, yawning, really think that you are yawning through it, and slowly release. So I know I'm shaking in my lower back. That means I need to go slower. Maybe I need to create some tension and then release again. slouch. So contract the front of your body, the front of your neck, the front of your chest. Yawn. Oh, think about a cat. Speaking of, think about how the cat does. And then release. Slowly let go of the muscles. Notice how it's almost as if you're just floating in the air. Breathe into your belly. Okay. I hope this is making sense. So again, you can do this smaller. It can be like a tiny, tiny movement. Okay. But the very important thing to do is to keep that yawning sensation. So you're creating tension almost as if you're yawning, like in the morning you're stretching, you're yawning. But then when you release, you don't just go like, "Oh, I'm afraid to do it," but like, "Ah," you know, that's the mistake we often do, even in class. You're yawning, and think about the cat. The cat yawns and then very slowly goes back to being a little cat again, and then they will go about their day. Okay, so I thank you so much for joining me today. I appreciate you being here, and I love you. I will see you next time. Ciao.